Alright YouTubers, notice anything different about this plane? I'm on the Boeing with the new Sky Interior. And seat 11A, no window. See the blue lights here. Look! It's all blue. It also has newer window shades.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Continental Airlines Flight 1706, with one-stop service into Houston. As a reminder, carry-on baggage must be securely stowed underneath the seat in front of you or an overhead compartment. If you have any problems stowing your bags in the overhead bins, you can please bring it forward. We can gate check your bag here at the gate to your final destination. The use of personal cellular phones and approved portable electronics can be used while parked here at the gate with the main cabin door open. We will advise you when they must be turned off. Good afternoon and welcome aboard.
It's the new Boeing Sky Interior. Let me see if I can get my bag out of here. Excuse me. First time I got to fly on this plane. Bye. Thanks.